Hi guys, hit like, subscribe, and notifications in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? Let me show you. Today we're going to show you the best and worst fidgets to bring to school. Some of them could be really bad, like a super messy stress ball. Others could be really good, like a DNA ball or a dough ball. And some could be relaxing, like an acupressure ring or an infinity cube. Now let's start this. Woo! So number 10, all the way up to number 1. I mean 5, all the way up to number 1. Okay, so number 10 is the pea pod. Now, I love pea pods. Those are like my favorite fidgets. You can attach them to your bag. They have such cute faces. That would make your friends be so cute. Make a face like this. And when you clip it on, don't forget, you can write your name right here. So if you lose it, you can easily find it. I mean, you can write your class on it. Or you can... Next is number 9. No, number 5 was pea pods. Now, next we have an acupressure ring. During any type of lesson, you can give your fingers a rest and a little massage with the acupressure rings. Some could be really pretty, like this one. But there's one thing. If you don't want to get them taken away, just put it on your finger and then start working again. And it's so good when you just like put it in your hands like this. Nobody will ever know that you had a fidget in your hand. Now, number 3. What did I say, 3? Yes. Is Simple Dimples. Oh yeah, Simple Dimples are so good. Because every kid is going to want to put them on their bag. And that is actually perfect because you won't get it taken away from you. Simple Dimples are really good, very relaxing. Also, if you bring them to the bathroom, just put them on your finger and you can take care of anything you need to. And you can clean them at the same time you're washing your hands. Now, since they are so good, I'm going to say the description, which is the best fidget to bring. And next up, number 2, we have the infinity cube. Yes, I know, infinity cubes are very quiet. They don't make much noise. And they are really nice to play with. They only make like that plastic sound. And I'm sure your friends would love it if you brought an infinity cube. Last but not least, the number 1 fidget to bring to school that I have is a bike chain or a flippy chain. These are perfect. Oh my God. Whether you call it a flippy chain or a bike chain, they're still really good. I love them so much. They're not clicky and clacky like the Wacky Tracks. And if you feel like somebody's going to take it away from you, just wear it on your finger. Well, now we're going to do 5 fidgets that you should not bring to class. So don't bring them. They're not good. And number 5 is a monkey noodle. They take up a lot of space. They cause distraction. And all the kids are going to want it. And that could cause a distraction. And then the teacher, he or she, will take away your monkey noodle and won't give it back to you until the end of the day. So I do not recommend a monkey noodle. Next is the pop tubes. Could you imagine kids popping pop tubes in the middle of a lesson and they can't hear because they were playing with them? No, I don't think so. I do not think you should bring a pop tube to school. It's a no now. And now we have a really bad one. What's gonna happen? Do you know what's about to happen that day? You're going to notice this one. It's really, really bad. Do you know what's so loud? It's really loud. Let me give you a hint. It is something that is really bad. Not bad like bad, but can you guess what it is? It's not that bad, don't worry. It is a mochi. Even though they are so adorable and fun to squish, they could drop and get dirty. And the worst fidget to bring to school is super messy stress balls. Stick to a DNA ball or a dough ball. Oh, could you imagine if that popped during a lesson? No, because there's going to be a big, giant mess. And the last thing that the teacher wants in the classroom is a huge, big, fat mess. That is what a teacher would never want in the classroom. So I don't recommend those. And last but not least, we have 6 of the worst. Even though this shimmer bear is so adorable, it can pick up a lot of dirt in class. Even though kinetic sand is so satisfying, they can be very distracting. You can lose them easily. And if water spilled, they change consistency, and their consistency is really hard to clean up. So those are the worst fidgets. I hope you enjoyed this. If you agree with my stuff, put that in the comments down below. And if you don't agree with one of my ideas, put that in the comments down below. Bye. Stay tuned. Because I have a challenge for you. What's the number you could get if you were only have to move 2 of the matches? Let me know in the comments. If you are a teacher or a parent, please bring fidgets with them to school. Also, ask the principal or teacher what's allowed and what's not allowed, because some of those are not allowed. Bye. Thanks for watching. We learned so much from it, like 1,000 ways to bake a pie. With 10 pounds in quarantine in March for what we believe, and everyone got mad at Disney. Ran out of paper, and now I'm not sure what is real cake if the news is fake. We're all masking, we're all asking, when the heck is 2020 over? 2020 sucks, 2020 sucks. When you moving your feet on the dance floor and you don't care a thing about a word they say. That's how we play, that's how we play. I am here with my friends and we're dancing. We can feel how the obstacles go away. That's not how we play. We cannot go back this road. We cannot go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.